Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Capital One bank to the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use the OnePay app and you want to use your Capital One bank to fund it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the OnePay app. Next, click on the upper right-hand corner where it says your profile icon name. Then click on Account, then click on Linked Accounts. Then from here, click on Link Bank Account. On this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Get Started. Then click on Continue as Guest. Then find Capital One, which is located right over here. And then from here, it's going to prompt you to log into your Capital One bank, so that you can select which account you want to connect to the OnePay app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Capital One bank with the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.